Congratulations on completing your scored mock test. Your scorecard is now ready and you can view it by following the given steps. Go to ptemocktest.com and click on Quick Login and click on Login. Once logged in, you'll reach on the user dashboard where you'll see a series of options. Now to view your scorecard, you need to click on the test analysis of the website. Once the page loads completely, click on Test Analysis. And click on Scorecard. Click here button to view your scorecard. You can view your scorecard in this way. Similarly, if you want to review your test, click here to review your test answers.